Why do companies lose control despite digitalization? Digitalization was supposed to make companies more efficient, faster, more scalable, and easier to control. But in many organizations, the opposite is happening. The more systems are introduced, the greater the operational complexity becomes. New tools are added, new platforms integrated, new processes created. Yet the real problem remains unresolved. Systems operate alongside each other instead of together. Teams use different tools. Data is fragmented. Decisions take too long. Processes grow uncontrollably. Responsibilities become unclear. From the outside, everything appears modern. Internally, operational friction begins to grow, and that is where the loss of control starts. The problem is rarely missing technology. The problem is missing operational governance. Many companies digitize processes without building a real governance structure. This leads to fragmented system landscapes, inefficient workflows, rising technical complexity, lack of transparency, growing technical debt, slow decision-making, and uncontrolled scaling. The faster a company grows, the more visible these problems become. At some point, growth itself becomes a risk, because systems that cannot be governed will scale chaos. This is exactly where modern governance becomes critical, not as bureaucracy, not as a PowerPoint framework, but as operational control for complex enterprise systems. Modern IT governance means bringing business, technology, processes, data, teams, and decisions into a controllable structure. It means aligning systems properly, defining responsibilities clearly, making processes operationally manageable, identifying risks early, guiding technological decisions strategically, and enabling scalable growth with control. Because digitalization without governance is simply accelerated complexity. Today, companies need more than new software. They need operational control, agile governance, and adaptive system management. The companies that understand this will not only become more digital, they will become more controllable. IT Angels. Agile Operational Systems Governance for complex enterprise environments. To book a discovery call, visit IT Angels or use the link in the description.